You're live, Dr. Emer.
Hey guys, we're in the operating room and we're doing a last part of an arm liposuction. Now this part is the forearm between the wrist and the elbow, not the elbow and shoulder. And so we're gonna remove pockets of fat my patient has in a very specific manner. You have to be very gentle in this area. There's lots of blood vessels and nerves. You have to be really careful. But if you do this right, you can remove that little film. Look at that, the fat coming out. It's really not that bloody because we're doing it properly. And you can remove that little fine 1/4 inch amount of fat that really just starts to bother some women. She has a little lipedema, so this is fatty pockets that are genetic in this area. And so we're just being really gentle about the amount we remove. You obviously don't want to create indentations or irregularities, but you also want to prevent this area from growing as you get older. So we're just going to do some fine tuning around the wrist to get her just a little bit smaller. You can see that little bit that came out. See that fat? Perfect. And again, just going to do a subtle bit, and then that's it.
Who's a good candidate for this procedure?
Well, anyone that has lipedema or fat that's bigger around the calf or arm area, we just definitely have to take a look and see. You know, if you have, it's a very small procedure, but it's definitely very impactful for certain people.
If they're interested in this, how can they reach out to us?
You guys know, appointments at JasonEmerMD.com, or just go to our email at JasonEmer, or just go to our website, JasonEmerMD.com, or DM us on Instagram, JasonEmerMD. You guys can see, like, look already, you can see much smaller her forearm is. And then again, we're gonna go really careful down. We gotta be really careful where we are here. This is right above the blood vessels. We're gonna shrink the size of her wrist and give her a better look. Perfect, and you can see it's already much smaller and looks really contoured. So that's it for forearm contouring. You guys can see much smaller wrist and much smaller forearm. Take care.